Greetings, and welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So make me ask you something. If for your body a God house, where you use it for do? For pray or for thief? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button now, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now are the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what are going right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus, as according to Luke chapter 19, from verse 45 to verse 48. Jesus go in a yard where God house there and start drive out the people where did in their cell. Him said to them, say, it write down in a God word, say, for me house, I go be one house where people come for pray. But uno turn it in a one hideout for thief. Every day, Jesus teach in a yard where God house there. The head priest, the law teacher them, and the leader them too, did a set to kill him. But them couldn't find no way to do it, because everybody did a listen every word what Jesus said. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.